Hey everyone, now we are gonna unbox this parcel. This is a small one, so let's quickly start. Okay, inside we have a box, so let's quickly open that. Okay, here we go. Nothing more inside. So let's check this. Here we have a 5 rupee bundle, you can see, signed by S. Venkatraman. And this is a 100 serial note bundle, starts from 501 and ends at 600. Let me show you quick. You can see 501 and goes on till 600. So this is a good condition UNC bundle. You can see a very good condition. Sooner will be sale on our website. That's all for this video. Hit the like button.